January has been a huge month for my portfolio, currently up 12% with profit at the minute of $2,250, which is amazing. So this month I got paid 7 dividends. In this video I'm going to take you through all them payers. I'll show you the portfolio to show what's performing the best. As always guys, like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will start taking you through now. The first payment this month came from Oracle and it paid me $3.34. Oracle has been on a tear. It's up nearly 33% in my portfolio, and I expect to see this grow even further as the AI market expands this year. QYLD came in like clockwork and paid me $34.75. The Altria Group paid me my biggest ever dividend from a single stock, and that came in at $34.99. Realty Income paid me a whopping 32 cents. And another REIT, AGNC, paid me $4.26. Kilroy Realty Corporation paid me $4.14. And lastly, on the last day of the month, JP Morgan Chase paid me $5.35. So this means for the month of January, my total dividend income was $87.21. So coming in and taking a look at my portfolio and see what has generated the most returns. So JP Morgan has had massive price growth. It's currently up 49.65%, so almost 50%. IBM has got very recent news that its AI business is much bigger than originally expected. It's up 45.79%. Kilroy Realty up 35.66%. Oracle up 33.33%. Another one I believe is absolutely poised to take advantage of further AI growth in the next couple of years. ExxonMobil up 32.16%. Microsoft up 25%. Its stock price is currently at 407. I wish I had bought more of Microsoft when it was lower. I currently have 3. I remember thinking, I don't know about this when it was 250. It seemed expensive. I didn't do enough work at looking at the fundamentals. So this is probably a lost opportunity that I haven't invested more heavily in Microsoft in this time period. But still, 25% gains, not bad. Apple currently up 22%. OneOak up 20%. Edison Consolidated up 12.66%. AGNC up 8%. BlackRock currently 7.63% in the green. It's really rallied since the Bitcoin ETF. We'll be interested to see how it continues to grow in the next couple of months. The S&P 500 up 7.29%, and Ares Capital Corporation up 3.88%. And just for full transparency, the stock's currently in the red. We've got T-Rowe marginally down, SCHD down 1.88%. It's still rallied well in recent months. Realty Income down 6.55%, QYLD down 7.54%, MO down 9.77%, and Gazprom, the absolute worst thing I've ever bought, down 95% since the time I bought it, and it has been sanctioned. But all in all, more in the green than in the red for January. Things are looking up, and I hope this continues. So January 2024 has started well. I really hope this momentum continues. And building on my portfolio, I did a bit of research last year trying to see how I could maximize growth. And this month I'm adding to my portfolio by picking up Visa. I did a full breakdown on Visa's underlying fundamentals in a video which I'll tag at the end here. Of course guys, if you have any comments on my portfolio or want to know any in-detail stock reviews, please do let me know in the comments. And as I said before, feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys.